How could an accident like this happen? It's the fault of this product. But it's not a product made by Panasonic. Looking at this fake, you can see that the moving blades stick out too far. Also, the blades are not safe because they're rusted, deformed, and have sharp edges. Panasonic products are precision designed with rounded blade edges like this so they don't injure your skin. And take a look at this. This fake trimmer vibrates so much, it's hard to hold on to. And if you disassemble it, there's a chance the wiring will be ruined, making it unusable. As you can see, there are dangerous fake products that falsely display the Panasonic brand. Panasonic is working to eliminate fakes in collaboration with local authorities. Fakes are a threat to your safety and well-being. Even if a product is only slightly suspicious, be sure to check it on Panasonic's official website.
Panasonic.